Happy Wednesday, everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. We're pretty busy over here these days. We've got a lot of stuff going on, great things coming up, big projects, and a special project that I think you guys will really like, and some other things later in the summer that we've got planned that I can't wait to tell you about it, but can't tell you about it now. But we are having the fundraiser drawing in 2 days on Friday on our YouTube Live. So if you still want to participate in that, it's $5 a ticket, and that is a fundraiser for Res Dog Rescue up in Montana. And they do great things about and in helping rescue dogs off of Indian reservations. So you send an email if you're interested in donating $5 a ticket. Send an email to Vicky, or is it Arizona Girl?
Vicky
with Dave Signs at gmail.com, and she'll take care. Vicky will walk you through that. So anyway, today, sign carvers of the day. We haven't done one for, gosh, it seems like forever. So I'm going to do a group of 20 of them here. So got some really great ones. So hope you guys like this. Keep sending me those pictures, eric@makeawoodsign.com, and I'd love to put them in these groups of sign carvers of the day. So here we go. First one, Nick Edstrom. This is one of his first signs, and he did it for a friend that has obviously a Shelby Cobra Mustang.
Oh, nice.
I think it really looks cool. I love even the shape of the sign really goes along well with that Cobra logo. Great job, Nick. Congratulations, buddy. D. Ginkle.
Yours. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know. I thought it was sideways too, but it's the way she put the deal. So it's 10 by 10 oak, painted with acrylic and sprayed with water-based poly. So check out the collar. The collar is.
Okay, let me zoom in on it. Hold still.
So that's an actual collar that she cut holes in the boards and then put that collar on that dog.
How cute
Isn't that cool?
Is that? Good
What
paint
a great
job.
idea.
Holy crap.
Great job, D. Beautiful, buddy.
That's D.
Yeah, I know, D. I know D. I know who you are. You are not a buddy. You are a lady. I realize. My apologies. Scott Christian. So the bottom one is Live Edge Mesquite, and I believe Scott's still out selling at flea markets and stuff. So I hope it's going well for you, Scott. Your signs are getting better all the time, buddy. Keep it up, man. Great job. This one is really cool. Antonio Hidalgo, his Tree of Life. I just think this is so cool. I love these Tree of Life, and I love the border on there.
That's not a frame. That's actually...
No, that's a border, and then he stained it. Yeah.
Very nice.
I believe he stained it. Yeah. Great job, Antonio. Beautiful. Don Knox. So this is made in honor of the spring. So really a cool little wall decoration. I think this is on his house, actually. Great job, Don. Beautiful work, buddy. Chris Eisman, second sign ever, which, man, those are some pretty good lines, Chris, for just starting out, just your second sign ever.
Sanctuary.
That's cute. That's really cool. That's a big market. That's a kind of a niche. Keep it up, Chris. David Wally. This one is pretty spectacular. I don't know how many signs David's done, but man, he sure, there's a lot of work in there. Great job, David. Beautiful work, buddy. Dave Jackson, he's my buddy over in Valley Vista. I think his nickname is Bear, if I remember right. He's been on the live a few times. Good job, Bear. I hope you're doing well. I think he had a bypass surgery not too long ago. So I hope you're doing well, buddy. I want to get out there Valley Vista and visit you. Keep up the great work, man. Bob Rose, been with us for a long time. Is that one cool or what? So this 11 by 24. I just think that's cool. What a great idea for a clock.
Cute.
Beautiful work, Bob. Beautiful. Lee Rodas made this for his father. He has a section of his pole barn that he made into a full bar where he and his buddies hang out on weekends. I love it.
That's his fourth
Great.
sign? Wow.
Yeah, great job for his fourth sign. Beautiful work, Lee. Beautiful. Love it. Warren Gamble from Australia. 12 by 34. Glued up hardwood. Only made a few signs so far. And is now getting a request and selling them.
Good job.
Yeah. Beautiful work. So, yeah, they got a lot of exotics. Huh?
Any idea what kind?
It's hardwood and it comes from Australia.
Wow,
so
that's beautiful.
there's so many different. It looks like some kind of mahogany to me. That would be my guess. But there's so many different species over there. I don't know hardly any of them. Great job, Warren. Jonathan Armstead. This one is I'm kind of a fishing nut, so I would like that.
That's
but
cool.
I think that is just super cool, man. I just love it. I love the design, the artwork, the edging. I just think it's awesome. Great job, Jonathan. Beautiful work, buddy. Tom Crissman. So this is his version of the Live to Ride sign. Kind of modified it a little bit for a veteran. Altered the design and to honor veterans. So I think that's a great idea. Great job, Tom. I'm sure he loved it. Beautiful work, buddy. Steve Sisk, 17 by 57 by inch and a quarter fir slab for Winochi Wild Park. So this thing is like almost 6 feet long.
Wow.
I wish the picture's a little fuzzy, but I wish the picture was a little bit better. But great job, man. Beautiful work. I'm sure you'll get a lot of attention with that one. Great job, Steve. Don Spicer.
Look at that.
Isn't that cool or what? Customer's best friend is a member of this band. I just what a neat design. Very inventive, very creative. Great job, Don. Tim Russell. So this one is, I don't really have anything written on this one, and I can't really see it from the back side.
That's a dog in that.
Packmasters. Yeah. So it must have something to do with pack dogs, I suppose. I just didn't get any description on this one,
cool,
but
though.
it looks great. Really nice work, Tim. Shannon Bradley, first sign. Wow.
You guys are doing good stuff.
Yeah, there's some really, really good ones in here. Very nice, nicely done, Shannon. Great job. Hope you're having fun with it. Keep it up. Miss Carmen, check that out.
Look at that tractor. Hold on, let me zoom in on that.
So I think this is the one that she had just finished when her and Sam had come around here. So I think it was maybe her fifth or sixth sign. I didn't mark it down, but check out the details on that tractor. Great job, Carmen. You've made some. I've seen some later signs after this, and you're just really getting good at this. Congratulations, Carmen. That's terrific work. First sign, Craig. Whew, that's quite a last name. Vinci Guerrera. Something like that. First sign. Left some black on to give it a weathered look, which I think is pretty cool for that style of sign. I think that is a perfect motif for it. Great one to do that. Great job, Craig. Beautiful work, buddy. For your first sign, congratulations. And Doug Powell. I don't know how he ended up being last. It just was kind of the turn of the cards there. But Doug Powell is the one that runs the Res Dog Rescue up in Montana.
I really like that eagle.
Yeah, Doug's doing some really beautiful stuff. He just sent me another picture that's got a bunch of other stuff that you'll see in a month or so. But anyway, so Doug has got that. You'll see. We'll talk about it again on Friday. But anyway, if you guys want to donate to the Res Dog Rescue of Montana, $5 a ticket, and the first prize, I didn't even talk about that. The first prize is a DWP 611 router that's modified. It's got our base on it. It's all set.
Donated by Terry Lambert.
By Terry Lambert. Yeah, it's all set to go. And then
we got drawings, gifts, prizes from Tessa.
yeah, we've got other prizes too. So hope you guys can really tune in on Friday night, because we're definitely going to be giving some of that stuff away. I don't think you have to attend. As long as you donate, you'll have a ticket. Vicky will be drawing names out of the bucket, so you don't have to be there live in order to win. But definitely get your $5, because that $5 could turn into about $200 router. Anyway, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, because we've kind of changed to doing videos Mondays and Wednesdays, and then lives on Friday, I'll probably start doing bigger groups of the sign carvers of the day, because we've kind of changed from doing the lives on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So this is going to be kind of the way it's going to go, probably for the next foreseeable few months through the summer anyway. So anyway, guys, thanks so much. If you have any questions, please send me your pictures, eric@makeawoodsign.com. If you have any questions, please email me directly, and I'm happy to answer any questions for you. Thank you so much for all the support and all the love in these tough times that we're going through, and we just love you guys and appreciate you so much. So we'll see you on Friday night. Have a great evening and a great day, you guys. We'll see you on Friday. Bye-bye.